Assalamu alaikum, dear students of class 9th. We are studying gravitation. Till date, we have studied so many topics. Yesterday, we studied mass. Mass is the quantity of matter containing a substance. Mass remains constant everywhere. Now, today, we shall study weight. Dear students, the force attracts everybody. The earth attracts everybody towards its center with a certain force which depends on the mass of the body and acceleration due to gravity. پرٛٮ۪تھ کُنہِ چیٖزَس چھُ أرتھ پانَس کُن اَٹرٛیکٹ کَران یہِ پوٚر اَسہِ یَتھ أسۍ ایٚکسَلیشَن تہِ وَنان یا گرٛیوِٹیشَن تہِ چھِ وَنان تَتھ ایٚکسَلیشَن ڈیوٗ ٹُو گرٛیوِٹی تہِ چھِ وَنان وِتھ سٔٹَن فورس أرتھ کوٗتاہ کَمہِ فورسہٕ سان کَرِ اَتھ اَٹرٛیکٹ اِٹ ڈِپٮ۪نٛڈٕس اپان ماس آف باڈی اینڈ ایٚکسَلیشَن ڈیوٗ ٹُو گرٛیوِٹی The weight of a body is the force with which it is attracted toward the center of earth. The weight کیٛاہ گوٚو weight گوٚو the force with which earth attracts the object towards its center with which it's attracted. This object is attracted کَمہِ فورسہٕ سان چھِ earth اَتھ attract کران پنٛنِس سینٹرس کُن اَتھ چھِ وَنان weight گوٚو weight is force. It's not a quantity of matter. In other words, the force of Earth's gravity on body is known as its weight. Yani force of gravity کوتاہ کَرِ Earth act on a body تَتھ چھِ أسۍ وَنان weight. We know that force is equal to mass into acceleration. یہِ چھِ اَسہِ پَتہ force is equal to motion force منٛز پوٚر mass into acceleration. The acceleration produced by the force of attraction of Earth is known as acceleration due to downwards. Is known as acceleration due to gravity. Written as you pour us acceleration due to gravity. Thus the downward force acting on a body of mass m is given by that mass m as force is equal to mass into acceleration due to gravity. Force is equal to m into g. But the force of attraction of earth on a body is known as weight. When the force of attraction that's offered by this earth on the body, it's known as weight. So writing weight w in place I mean force because weight चूँकि वो weight is force go m into g where m is mass of body g is acceleration due to gravity. Weight is measured in the unit of force. चूँकि weight a force امیُک unit تہِ آسہِ یِتھ کٔنۍ forces چھِ SI unit of force is Newton. So SI unit of weight is also Newton, which is denoted by letter N. बिल्कुल आसि اَتھ چوٗنٛکہِ یہِ چھُ فورس امیُک یوٗنِٹ آسہِ سُے یہِ فورسَس یوٗنِٹ چھُ چوٗنٛکہِ weight of 1 kilogram mass is 1 kilogram اگر کانٛہہ واتہِ تَتھ کیٛاہ وات بیٚیہِ تَتھ چھُ weight is equal to m is w is equal to m into g w m گوٚو 1 g گوٚو 9.8 meter per second square 1 into گوٚو تَمیُک weight گوٚو برابر 9.8 Newton. Go 9.8 Newton is the force with which Earth attracts an object of mass 1 kilogram. اگر اَتھ object اکھ mass آسہِ 1 kilogram, Earth چھِ تَتھ force کوتاہ کران force of attraction that is equal to 9.8 Newton. سُے گوٚو امیُک weight. Thus the weight of 1 kilogram mass is 9.8 Newton. You may wonder this means that the force acting on the mass of at the surface of Earth is 9.8 Newton. گوٚو أسۍ force یُس اَتھ پٮ۪ٹھ ایٚکٹ کران چھُ. Weight is a vector quantity. It's vector quantity. کِتھ پٲٹھۍ چھِ vector quantity؟ اَتھ چھُ magnitude تہِ value تہِ چھُس numerical value تہِ بَنان as well as direction. Direction کیٛاہ چھِ it acts downwards. The weight of body is given by w is equal to m into g. Since the value of g changes from place to place, value of g is going to change from place to place. So therefore is per change but tim go weight of value te gasi change. The weight of a body is not constant key in interplanetary space. In between planets کُنہِ جایہِ چھِ this attractive force of a planet یہِ چھُ ہٮ۪کان 0 تہِ ٲسِتھ یِژھ پٲٹھۍ یہِ گوٚو 0 w گوٚو m into g اگر کانٛہہ فار ایٚگزامپٕل 10 kilogram چھُ تٔمِس دِس mass مگر تمیُک g آسہِ تٔمِس 0 weight بَنیو 0 یَتھ أسۍ weight lessness تہِ وَنان چھِ. The weight of a body can be گوٚو یہِ ہیٚکہِ 0 تہِ ٲسِتھ البتہ mass ہیٚکہِ نہٕ 0 ٲسِتھ mass will remain change. Weight is not constant. If a body on planet experiences weight of 10 Newton on moon, it can have different weight. The weight of a body is measured by spring balance. اَتھ instrument یَتھ أسۍ وَنان spring balance تہِ چھِ. The spring balance gives the weight of object because extension spring سُہ چھِ بۄن کُن spring acts downwards on the because the extension of spring depends on the force. Is extension of spring you got what depend? It depends upon the force of you pull it downwards. Kota force kar attract ताकि extend ये गژھِ امیُک یُس یہِ أمِس کَرو pull بۄن یُس أمِس extension آسان چھِ یُس أسۍ بۄن والان اَتھٕ چھِ یَتھ أسۍ اَتھ پٮ۪ٹھ weight اَلوُنٛد ترٛاوان یہِ چھِ سُہ چھِ تَتہِ کَران میجَر تہٕ فورس کوتاہ أمِس أرٕتھ ایپلاے کَران تہٕ تِژ پٲٹھۍ گوٚو ویٹ ہیٚکہِ 0 تہِ ٲسِتھ یہِ ہیٚکہِ 0 تہِ ٲسِتھ تہٕ ویٹُک ویلیوٗ چھِ اِٹٕس ناٹ کانسٹنٛٹ اِٹٕس اَ ویکٹر quantity having magnitude as well as direction where mass is on a scalar quantity that is on numerical تَتھ چھُنہٕ direction آسان کینٛہہ hope you have understood it. Thank you.